Time for it to go. There's the wear point right there. And you can see that she's wobbly. Let's see, what's the build date on this? Because a boy hit me up in the comments and he said, oh, 2020. This, I don't know. I don't know what the build date is. So I don't know what he would have been talking about. Let's see it. Made in Korea. 12/24. Maybe. I don't know if that's it. Y'all let me know. No, wait, what's that? 18, 19? I don't think so either. Stop it. Get out of my face, bud. Anyway, see you in a minute. About to pull this rim off. Alright, here's the new one. Yeah, right there. She came in. She's the right size. Although I did like how aggressive the 190 was, but I'm going to stick with my 160. That way I don't have any manufacturing issues. Alright, and here she is all cleaned up. Got her all cleaned up. I'm going to replace the valve stem, because why not? I already have it. I know there's a couple marks from the spoons or whatever, but you know what? That's on the inside. Fuck it. You know what? Shit happens when you do shit by hand at home. Shit happens. Then I'll wait it out. I'll static balance it. I'll show you what that looks like. I'll be back. Alright, so this is how we static balance. We make sure that our jack stands are on a level surface. We put the bolt through the center and we spin it. And when we spin it, we're trying to make sure that it doesn't keep rolling back in the same spot. And every time it does, we'll add 1/4 ounce. So it rolled up. Now let's see if it's going to roll back. Yeah, it starts to roll backwards. And it's going to land.